beautiful. I want to say welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to make you something beautiful and nice. What I'm going to make you today, I'm going to make you some vegetable patty, curry vegetable patty. First of all, I have a medium-sized pot on the stove. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a paste and we're going to use some frozen veg to make the vegetable curry patty. So right here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply put a teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of this, roughly 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let's put a little bit more inside of it because we're going to make a paste first. So right here I put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Right over here I have some garlic, white onion and spring onion which I just cut up. I'm using half of each of the 3 items. Half of a white onion, half of a spring onion, and 2 olive of garlic right here. I'm going to put it straight inside of it like this. We are making a vegetable curry patty. So right here is inside. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put half of a tablespoon of curry inside of it like this. We're going to put a little bit of pepper, and then what we're going to do next, we're going to give it a little stir like this. So what we are doing, we're going to make a paste for the veg. And it is good for you to, I know you guys are going to love this recipe. Really nice. So right here I have a large bowl of frozen corn. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chop it straight inside of it like this. Then use my spoon and just give it a little mix like this. And what I'm going to simply do, I'm just going to simply put a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit, and just keep mix it up like this. A pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt, not too much. And as you can see the way it looks, look at that, beautiful and nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make it just cook a little bit, and after it cook, we're gonna make it cool down. So right here it's finished. Nice one, nice and beautiful. Look at this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply just take away my stove right here and then get my container right here. I'm gonna scrape it out inside of this little one right here, just like this, because I want it to be cool down. I'm gonna use it inside of the patty. So in the meantime, this is going to be cooling down. We're going to make the dough for the patty, and I know you guys are going to love this one. It's so simple and easy to prepare. What we're going to do, we're just going to make it cool down because you cannot put the hot stuff in the pastry, so we need it to cool down. So let this cool down roughly for about 2 hours, and as it's cool down, we're going to use it inside of the patty. So in the meantime, we're going to make the pastry for the patties. And beautiful. So we already made the veg for the patty, and it is cooling down. We're gonna make the pastry now. So right here in my bowl, what I'm gonna do, I'm using a measurement cup right here. This is 1 cup. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure out some plain flour, some all-purpose flour. It is plain flour. Then it's simple. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna measure out the flour for you guys. So this is 1 cup, and I'm putting straight inside of it like this. Then that's 2 cups. So we are using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is plain flour. I'm gonna use my spoon right here, and I'm using some shortening, because the reason why I'm using shortening is one of the best things to make patty to get that crust. So this is 1 spoon, and it's 2 large spoons, and I'm putting another spoon inside of it like this. Nice one. And just a little piece more of the shortening. This is the white shortening. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply put a pinch of salt, roughly less than a tablespoon of salt. We're gonna put just a little pinch of salt inside of it, and we're gonna put a spoon of little bit of sugar inside of it, a teaspoon. Then we're gonna put some egg yellowing yolk inside of it. I'm putting just a little pinch, as you can see what I'm doing, and just a little pinch more inside of it. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna give it a little mix like this. Nice one. Simple, put just a little pinch of butter, unsalted butter inside of it like this. Nice one. And what I want to say to you, it is good for you to use some really cold icing water to mix the dough. So I'm gonna take my little time and add the dough like this inside of it, as you can see what I'm doing. Just take it one little time, keep adding the water. I'm using my wooden spoon just to mix it up. Nice and beautiful. Look at the color of the dough. It's looking really oranges. So this is the best way or you can ever do your patty when you're making it. So as you can see, this is looking really nice, and I leave the shortening inside of it, because when you're gonna bake it in that oven, the shortening gonna be melting. So as you can see, looking really nice and beautiful. So what I'm gonna simply do now, I'm gonna simply just add a little bit of flour inside of it like this, not too much, just a little bit of the all-purpose flour. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Then what we're gonna do now, on my surface right here, we're gonna simple get the rolling pin and some more flour. And we're gonna put some little bit of flour on this, on the surface right here. We're gonna roll it out. So right here is the flour, right here is the dough for your patty. little bit of flour. Get your rolling pin. This is a rolling pin, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna simple roll it out like this. But before we go into the rolling process, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just give it a little bit more like this for you guys to see what I'm doing. Really nice and beautiful. I know you guys are gonna love this patty because there's a little, you know, really nice and beautiful. So as you can see, how the rolling pin gonna work it out in a bit. I know you guys are gonna love this one. So let's put a little bit more flour. Then I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. It's simple. This is the dough. Just take off a little piece like this. Put this at the side. Get your rolling pin. And simple. Get a little flour. Of the all-purpose flour. And just rub it out just like this. For you guys to see what I'm doing. It's a little bit messy, but I'm telling you, if you know what you're doing, I'm telling you, it will just come out really perfect and nice. So as you can see right here, this is the way I roll it out. Really thin and nice. So as you can see what I'm talking about right here, it's come out really thin. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna show you one more time of the dough. Make sure you have a little flour on the surface like this, and make sure your rolling pin is fine. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply just roll it up back just like this for you guys. Right over back. Put it on the next side. And right over like this. Then just like this. Just like this. It's one of the best patty you guys gonna have. And this one is from Chef Ricardo. Look at this now. So you can see how thin it is. Really thin. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the remember we just cut the veg, so we're gonna get the veg and put it straight inside of it. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Beautiful recipe. So as I say, I'm already have a pastry roll out. So my veg is cool. Now what I'm gonna show you, you need to put it right closer to the end of the pastry when you're gonna fold it. So right here I'm doing the first one, and this is the curry veg. So what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna simply give it a little roll over just like this. That's so you guys can see what I'm doing, but put a little bit more of the veg inside of it, and then I roll it over like this, simple like this. Then what I'm gonna simply do, nice one, cut off some of this edge. Nice one. So you're gonna use your fork and just to close the end like this. You're just closing the end. You're not just like this. So as you can see, what I'm doing, this is your homemade patty. You know, if you're at home, you feel like you can't get patty anywhere local, what you could do, I'm gonna just trim off the edges them like this. Just use a knife. Be careful when you're using a knife. Just trim off the edges. Nice. Then next, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna simple as I say. This is the first one. I'm gonna put this one in right here like this. So this is the first patty we make. Then I'm gonna do another one for you guys to show you how it look again one more time. Remember, this is the dough, and you need a rolling pin. I'm gonna roll it out like this. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. That's, don't make any mistake. If you don't have a surface like this, if you want to use like a cutting board like you, where you can normally cut bread on, you can use it to roll it out also. Nice one. So as you can see, really nice. Then this is the next one that we're gonna do to show you. Get your veg, and we're gonna put it right here, just like this. Give it a little fold over like this. So right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna finish off this one for you guys to see. Use a fork and just close the edges like this. Beautiful and nice. This is just homemade patty. I know you guys will love this one because use your knife and just trim off the edges. So right here, there's another one which is ready for your oven. So as you can see, this is the way they look. Really nice. So I make 3 lovely patty for you guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make you a baby one. I'm just gonna make you a little. It's the most important thing is to make that the pin is always clear of the dough. These are the simple homemade patty for you guys to show you that you can simply make some patty at home. If you have the patience, you can also do that. And what you can do, you can make them and freeze them also. So these are the baby one. Right here. So I'm gonna simply close the edges like this. Then trim off the edge just like this. Then the next time we're gonna use the rest of pastry to make some chicken patty or beef patty, whatever patty we're gonna use the rest of pastry. So these rest of pastry, you don't need to throw it away. All you need to do, get your cling film, get a cling film and film it and put it down to make some more patty. You don't need to throw this away. I'm gonna make you some more patty. Either chicken or beef, whatever you want to make with it, you can make something with it. So that's the rest of the rest of the pastry left. We're gonna bake this one that we just made. What we're gonna do, preheat the oven first, and we're gonna make them in the oven for roughly about 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. Nice. In the oven. Beautiful. So as you can see, I just take the patty them from the oven. What I want to say to you, before you put your pot in the oven, preheat your oven first and a medium size heat, and all you need to do is just cook them probably for about 12 to 15 minutes. So as you can see right here is the patty them which I just make a while ago, looking really nice and beautiful. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply just break this little one right here to show you something. Look at this. This is just really nice, and this is the veg inside of the patty. So the patty is just perfect, really nice. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and this is a simply the homemade recipe for who want to make some patty at home on the holiday or the day off. If you notice a little bit around the edges a little bit burn, because I hover put them too long in the oven. So 15 minutes is pretty good in the oven for your patty. So as you can see, looking really nice and beautiful. And as we have a lot more recipe coming up, we're gonna come with the chicken and the beef and even different kinds, and I know you guys will love them. So enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking program. Enjoy the patty then.